In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split any image in Photoshop easily and accurately. If you've ever needed to divide an image into parts for various projects, knowing how this process works is very useful, so please follow along as we go through these straightforward steps together. First, open up Adobe Photoshop. If you are not familiar with Photoshop, it's a powerful tool used by professionals and hobbyists alike for all types of design work. Opening it may take a moment, but once it's running, you'll be immersed in a world of creative possibilities. Now that you have Photoshop running, the next step is to add the image you want to work with. You can do this by simply dragging the image file from your computer into the Photoshop workspace. Alternatively, you can navigate to File in the top menu, select Open, and choose your image file from your computer. Ensure your image is fully loaded in the editing space before proceeding. With your image now on the screen, it's time to set up a ruler line which will help you in splitting the image. Activate the ruler by pressing Ctrl+R on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC, or Command+R for a Mac. This will make the rulers appear on the top and left side of your workspace. Now click on the ruler and drag a guide towards the center of your image. The guide is not visible in the final output, but serves as a visual reference to ensure accuracy when splitting your image. The next step is making the selection using one of Photoshop's selection tools. You may prefer using the rectangular marquee tool for straight edges. With your selection tool active, carefully select the portion of the image you wish to split. For accuracy, start your selection from one edge and end at the ruler guide you placed in the center. Once selected, it's time to copy the selected half. Simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or go to Edit and then copy from the menu. After copying, paste it by pressing Ctrl+V or selecting Paste from the Edit menu. Your copied selection will now appear as a new layer in your Layers panel. Finally, with your image split into separate layers or sections, you'll want to save your work. Go to the File menu again and choose Save or Save As, depending on if you want to overwrite the original file or create a new one. It's important to choose a file format that suits your intended use. Photoshop's default PSD file format preserves your layers, while formats like JPEG or PNG are suitable for web use but will merge your layers. And that's it. You've successfully split an image in Photoshop. With practice, you'll find this technique becomes second nature, enhancing how you approach projects involving detailed image work. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more creative tutorials.